So when you first arrive in Cambridge, you'll come to the main site at Corpus Christi College. You'll enter through the main door into this grand archway. You'll be awe-inspired by the beauty of the college, but then you'll need to turn directly to your left and enter the Porter's Lodge. The Porter's Lodge is where you'll essentially check in and say, "I'm here." The porters will give you your key to your room and also your cam card, which is your identification. It's how you get into the colleges and departments around the city. It's how you might be able to access the building that your room is in. And it's also the way that you can pay for your meals in college. So that's super important. First thing that you collect that. Once you have those things, they'll come register with us in the tutorial office. So me and my colleagues will be set up in one of the college rooms. You'll need to bring a government issued ID, not your cam card, that doesn't count as an official ID, to officially register. So you'll bring your ID, we'll check you in so that you've officially kind of arrived in college, and we'll give you all sorts of important information, including who your tutor will be. Your college tutor is plays a really big role in your life here in the college. And so this is an opportunity for us to kind of introduce to you the tutorial system here in college and also make sure that you are officially arrived. During the registration process, you'll also be able to collect your college gown. Your college gown is college specific. Every college has their own special undergraduate gown. The Corpus Christi gown has these beautiful velvet lapels. So all through the city, people will be able to identify you as a Corpus student based on your gown. And yeah, that's the registration process.